So what you're seeing behind me is a Pathleaf Collection from Serip. Pathleaf is one of the most bespoke lighting collections from Serip. One of the advantages the Pathleaf, which we have personally used in the projects, is the practicality in which it can be used, especially the various places it can be installed. You can customize it first to your size, to your shape, so sometimes even to your form, which makes it very special. And then to work with the option of the colors, which goes very well with the theme of how you can blend it very well to the interiors, to the styling that you have, whether it's bespoke interiors or whether it is kind of classical to a Baroque style, to a very contemporary or to a very, very modern. Pathleaf is one collection, I personally believe, that can go well with any kind of an interior, especially with the given option that no matter how difficult your installation places, which could be probably a ceiling where you have a single point of electrification and you need a huge piece, Pathleaf can be beautifully customized to get that point of single electrification into a huge piece. Working with smaller pieces, working with larger pieces, working with forms, or working with different kinds of forms to make one art installation. That's the beauty of Pathleaf. I personally feel, again, the ability to color it, it works like a chameleon, which kind of gets beautifully adapted to any kind of a place in an interior where it doesn't look out of the place. So whether it's a white wall to a wall which could also be the same color of that of the Pathleaf that you see here, it stands up brilliantly. It creates a wonderful wow factor. It creates a wonderful focal point. It is more than lighting, it's an art piece.